Welcome to the produce section, the only place where fresh can mean coated in a layer of mystery petroleum. We spend a fortune on organic, but even then, nature has its own way of being. Gross. Soil is just fancy dirt, people. When you skip a real wash, you're inviting a Trojan horse of organophosphates into your digestive system. If your fruit looks like it belongs in a museum, it's probably wearing more makeup than a pageant queen. Today, we're stripping the fruit. No, not like that. Let's look at the biology of the dirty dozen. Many pesticides are endocrine disruptors. They basically prank call your hormones and tell them to stop working. Your liver sees these synthetic compounds and goes into panic mode. It's like trying to read a manual in a language that doesn't exist. Filtration isn't free. Every unwashed bite is a tax on your kidneys, and the IRS, internal renal system, always collects. It's not just chemicals. Bacteria love your spinach more than Popeye does. And they don't wash their hands. Some pesticides are inside the fruit. You can't wash those out, but you can certainly stop adding the surface flavor. Small doses today, big problems tomorrow. It's the compound interest of toxicity you definitely didn't sign up for. That wax? It traps the pesticides underneath. It's like a sealed vault of no thank you sitting on your counter. Neurotoxicity isn't a vibe. Let's look at how to actually fix this before your next snack. The quick rinse, it makes you feel good, but it does absolutely nothing for the wax. 0 to 10 stars. Oil and water don't mix. Science 101. You're just giving the pesticides a refreshing, useless bath. Expensive store-bought sprays? Mostly overpriced soap. Save your money for the actual food. Vinegar is decent, it kills the bacteria, but it's not the king of pesticide removal. It's the vice president. Meet the king, sodium bicarbonate. It's cheap, it's in your pantry, and it's a chemical-removing powerhouse. The alkaline pH breaks down those stubborn acidic pesticides. It's literally dissolving the bad stuff. Step 1, submerge. Don't just spray. They need to soak like they're at a spa for 12 to 15 minutes. For the tough guys like potatoes and carrots, use a brush. Friction is the enemy of filth. When you soak berries, use a 1:4 vinegar to water ratio. It stops the mold and keeps them fresh longer. Drying is key. Bacteria love moisture. Don't leave them in a damp pile like your gym clothes. Strawberries, spinach, kale, these are the repeat offenders. If you don't wash these, you're living life on the edge. Is it a bit of a hassle? Sure. Is it better than a slow-motion chemical feast? Also sure. Bonus bite. Clean fruit means your mitochondria don't have to fight off toxins while trying to give you energy. Don't stress the small stuff. Avocados have thick skin, literally. They're the low-maintenance friends of the fruit world. When the surface is clean, your body absorbs the nutrients more efficiently. No static in the signal. Peeling removes the toxins, but also the fiber. It's like throwing out the baby with the bathwater, if the baby was made of health. Broccoli heads are basically tiny trees. A salt soak gets the bugs out of the forest. Trust me, you don't want the extra legs. Clean produce supports a diverse microbiome. Your gut bacteria are picky. They don't like the taste of Roundup. A 2017 study found baking soda was significantly more effective than bleach. Yes, bleach. Please don't eat bleach. Why 12 minutes? That's the sweet spot for the NaHCO3 to penetrate the skin without making it mushy. Feel that? That's the lack of neurotoxins hitting your system. It's a literal clean high. Even the scraps are better for the earth when they aren't laced with synthetics. Circular economy, baby. The science hack bonus? Clean fruit actually lasts longer in the fridge. You're saving money twice. Clean food, clean fuel, clean life. It's a simple equation with massive results. So, stop the lazy rinse, embrace the soda soak, and treat your produce like you actually like your body. Your liver thanks you. Your gut thanks you. Your future self is currently writing you a thank you note. Now go forth and eat your veggies, minus the chemical seasoning. It's much tastier this way. If you found this useful, hit that sub button. If you didn't, well, I guess you like the taste of pesticides? Stay healthy, stay witty, and for the love of science, wash your kale. See you next time.